So this is Carving Animal Caricatures, a book that you can obtain from Amazon or Dover Book. And this section, I'm showing you how I did the drawing. I traced it. Now I'm showing you how I marked it up, and I'll show you a completed one. I have 1.5 millimeter U cut out of V cut. A U cut does a wider cut, shallower, wider. A V chops out a very narrow line. So we want the U to be available, and I've got a plastic top here, very shallow angle. I just pierce the paper and I start sliding it. Sometimes the paper cuts on one side, not the other, so that supposes to be the problem. So you give it short cuts, and then you can come in and end cut it, and out comes a piece. And now you can see I just cut this part. You can see the blue behind. I cut this part the other day. Now, if you look at my design, I cut the perimeter out, but before I did that, I cut the other parts out with this 1.5 millimeter. These are micro tool size, and it makes it quite easy. In fact, this one, if I just lay it down, take a Sharpie or some other marker and draw a line here, 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 and here, for example, I have those lines. That could be on your wood. This could be a wood. Now what are those doing? Those are showing you, draw it like this is like this is like this, that type of thing. You're completing a curvature where you cut it into the body. You cut this leg, you cut this neck, you cut around the ear, and so forth. So you're getting those lines to mark on the outside of your original. These lines right here you're getting. So once they're completed on the wood, you can complete the lines just like I did there, and you can proceed. I think that's all of the video part I need. I just wanted to say that I'm using micro tools, a U, and I can slice it out. Now this paper, I have some other diagrams. It's clear print drafting paper. Now you can get other particular paper, maybe cardstock. Let's see if we can cut one of these with this. We use short strokes, and you can see I can cut the cardstock quite nicely with the U as well. So you don't need the more exotic drafting paper. You can use cardstock and just use tracing paper. But one of the problems is, how do you get it down here in the first place? So there's a transfer issue still with cardstock. So that's some hints, and I hope you enjoy. The other pictures will be flat pictures.